This is LifeSmart. I'm here to make your life smart and easy. I can be placed anywhere in your home to make your life easier. In your daily life, I know you will certainly enjoy having me around. Leaving? No worries. I will turn off all the unnecessary lights and appliances to save you energy, and I will make sure to secure and protect your home while you're away. Welcome home. I see that you're back home with your family. Lights, curtains, and air conditioning. Everything is going to be ready for you. Are you ready to work? Set the mood to increase productivity.
LifeSmart. Play some music.
It's party time! Set the room with some vibrant light effects. Time for bed? Dim the lights and have sweet dreams. It's romance time. The kitchen could be romantic, but the bedroom is definitely romantic. This is the Nature Series. You can control all your smart devices at home with just one click. LifeSmart Philippines, making spaces come alive.